In today's dropshipping tutorial, I will show you a few ways to find the winning dropshipping products. We will go through several free and paid methods and strategies so that everyone will be able to choose what suits them the best. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and make money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be some news on the channel soon, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out these important updates. You will have the option to access our private stock portfolio, but more about all of this in the upcoming videos. Today we'll talk about the best way to find a so-called winner product in the world of dropshipping. Before we move on the methods, let's define the criteria according to which we are looking for winning products, considering that due to the pandemic, a lot has changed in the last 2 years. The first thing to look for when looking for a product is whether there is a newer version of the old winning product. The next thing you need to do is find a product that has been sold out on Amazon or eBay through organic traffic, meaning without paid advertising. The next factor is to have a product that has a futuristic factor. In translation, this means that people want to be a part of something that will happen in the future. One of the most important criteria is to find a product that will save people money and that can be used over and over again. Then you want the product that can be targeted worldwide. This is very important later when you create campaigns in Facebook ads and the strategies for targeting, but on the other hand, you want to be able to scale your product to the maximum by selling it to literally everyone. The next thing you need to create is the feeling that people have when they buy your product, and that is to have the feeling that they've bought a product that is branded. This is called brand perceived value. This means that in the long run you will have greater company valuation and therefore the people who will buy from you again. Lastly, you want to find products that are currently in trend. Don't be confused here. If a product turned out to be very good on the Google Trends graph, that's great, but if it's not, it doesn't mean it's a bad product. Also, as a last resort, the product you choose must have a large number of resources available in terms of high quality images and videos. The following set of criteria is good to have for your products, and the more criteria from the list meet, the better. The first criteria is done for you product. A lot of people work from home and don't have time to do certain activities because they have to save time. You've probably seen automatic hoovers, and these are the devices that will do the job for you. The next criteria is that there is a subscription-based product option. Let's take this automatic hoover as an example again. If you bought it, you will also need vacuum cleaner bags every few months or every month because they fill up and you need new ones. People don't want to come to your site every month and order bags, but they want to be automatically subscribed to your product and mean that they receive a new order every month, and Shopify will automatically withdraw money from their credit cards. The next criteria refers to UGC, user-generated content. If you don't know what UGC is, any of you who used TikTok or had the opportunity to see how it works, this is your user-generated content. You can best understand it as a natural video marketing, where people show products in real life and what problem the product solves. The fourth criteria is that the product is easy to promote by the influencer. You want to contact influencers to promote your product, but you don't want it to be too complicated to explain. The fifth criteria is that there are several different marketing angles. As the world of e-commerce and online sales works, it all comes down to the psychology of customers. If your product has only one psychological side to which it can be sold, then it's a weak product. The sixth criteria implies that the product has an entertainment feature. You want to entertain people because most are in lockdown because of the pandemic and working from home. The last criteria is that you can't find the product in the big malls like Walmart. You want your people to come to your site and think that they've never seen such a product before. Here is a list of niches that I think that are the best in 2022. Okay, now it's finally the time to move on the methods themselves. We will go through free and then paid methods. The first way is to go to TikTok and search for one of the following phrases: Amazon finds, what I order versus what I got, Amazon finds must-haves, beauty tools. After that, you want to go to Aliexpress and check if that is a dropshipping product. Now let's go to TikTok and take a look at some of the products. We will type in the search bar Amazon finds and we want to sort them according to the top filter. We see that some videos have over 2 million views. An unwritten rule is that 9 out of 10 Amazon products are listed on AliExpress. Some people will even leave a link in the comments from the AliExpress site, and be sure to read the comments of people who bought this product to get any positive feedback. Some of the rules of AliExpress products is that the product must have a rating of 4.5 and higher. You want to find the same product from AliExpress on Amazon and read reliable product reviews. The product must have between 500 and 5,000 orders. In the end, the product must have high quality images and videos. Here we come to the part we mentioned at the beginning. Whenever you find a product, always contact the supplier and check if they have a newer version of the product. Another way to check if your product is good is to go to Facebook Ads library and type in the search any term associated with your product and set the filters to all. If there are over 50 ads, the product is too competitive and advertising will be more expensive. If Facebook is saturated, you can type the same term on TikTok and see what's the situation there, and also see on Google if anyone is launching Google search campaigns related to that product. Another way to get the winner for free is to go to TikTok ads library and change the campaign to conversions and repeat the whole process again from the first method. When the search results loads, you look for all the ads that looks like the e-commerce ads. Even if you can't find the product on AliExpress, look for its alternatives. You can also use trend discovery under the hashtags option and see which ones are hashtags in trend. The third way is to go to aliexpress.com/wholesaleproducts.html and see all the products in the categories we mentioned today. Click on subcategory and sort them by orders. Let's move on to the paid method now. It's software called Pixta. As you can see, the software costs $19 per month, but what's great is that it has 2 days free trial where you can spend 48 hours exploring absolutely everything that interests you about your e-commerce Shopify store. This software will provide you with the best performing ads on Facebook, where with just one click you can go to the Facebook ads library and see which campaigns are playing and with which videos. Also, the software shows trending products on Amazon and AliExpress. He will show you the top dropshipping stores that sell that product, the best TikTok ads, and you will have his product of the day recommendation when it comes to winning products. Under the winners section, they will show you the best products on AliExpress at the moment, and with one click you can get access to targeting ideas, recommended prices, market analytics, videos, and useful links where you can see your competition when it comes to that product. If we go to the Spy section, we have the product and tick Spy option. Here you can find the best performing ads on Facebook, that's Product Spy, and TikTok, that's Tick Spy. If we go to the Explore section and select the Explore product, it will show you the products that are trending on Amazon. If you go to the Suppliers section, they will show you the winning products on CJ Dropshipping. If you haven't heard of CJ, it's an alternative to AliExpress that offers much faster delivery time. Finally, you have Ad Generator to help you create a video ad and create a thumbnail for your ad. We also have Audience Builder where you can choose your industry. When you select your niche, it will give you a suggestion on the right to target different categories. This is really an all-in-one tool that you can use, and you can use it for free for 2 days and find your winning product. That would be all for this video. We hope you liked the ideas and that you were inspired to start your own dropshipping business model in 2022. If you want, share more ideas in the comments and pick your best method of finding the winner. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!